Guys, what's up? It's me, Cedric. So in the second video or something, I was gonna do this, so I'll do it right now. I always start with the white for some reason. So, oh, shoot. Okay. What the flip? Just kidding. Okay. Okay. Struggling. What the flipping mother? Well, I could just do this with the flip. Okay. That seemed helpful. I hope it doesn't do it. Okay, so this is actually a pretty hard. It's like hard to twist. What I'm saying. So, so, oh wow, I finished. Wait, yeah, look at that. That's kind of cool. Now, I still have to do stuff. Okay. Okay, this is easy. I need a thing. Ow. What the? There we go. Hopes that fits in right. I think I just it went farther away from the camera right now. I have no idea what the flip is going on with this. This is a better way. Oh, what the? I keep doing that for some reason. Okay. That is... Okay. Puzzles. What the flip? Whatever, I don't care. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. I'm messing it all up. No, I'm just kidding. It looks like I'm messing everything up now, but I'm actually not. Because watch this. Probably. I don't know if I'm messing it up or not, but oh no, I'm not messing it up. I'm gonna solve it. This is gonna be the end of the video, guys. I wish it wasn't that long if it was not hard. I'm done. Boop, 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 boop. Everything matches, so that's kind of cool. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please subscribe, comment, like. And my name is Cedric Denman, and bye.